Super School scenario. In a futuristic school, 12-year-old Arjun is amazed at how much AI is involved in his everyday learning. His classes feel like they are made just for him. The school's robots take care of all the boring chores, and the AI can even predict when he's about to struggle with his homework. Arjun is curious, how do these systems work, and can they really understand what he needs better than he does? He begins his adventure to discover the answers. Let's solve the mysteries together. How does AI create personalized learning plans? When Arjun logs into his AI learning platform, the system checks how well he's done in his previous lessons. If he's acing history but struggling in math, the AI will give him extra math problems and fewer history assignments. The more Arjun uses the system, the better it gets at knowing his strengths and weaknesses. Fun fact for Arjun: imagine if every time you learned something new, the system quietly remembered it and adjusted your next lesson to be even better. It's like a secret coach that knows how to challenge you just enough to keep things fun. How can AI predict when students need help? Arjun notices that before he even asks for help, the system suggests a review of tricky math concepts. How does it know? The AI looks at the time Arjun spends on each question, his accuracy, and even patterns in his mistakes. If he's struggling, the system recognizes this and automatically suggests extra practice or offers helpful hints. Interactive idea. It's like having a friendly genie that knows when Arjun is about to need help, only instead of magic, it's using clever calculations. What do the robots and AI systems do to help the school? In Arjun's school, AI systems are at work everywhere. Robots clean the floors, deliver books to the library, and even help set up science experiments. Meanwhile, AI controls the temperature and lighting in classrooms, making sure everything is comfortable and energy efficient. It's all so smooth that Arjun barely notices it's happening. Fun fact: these robots never need a nap, they don't complain about chores, and they make the school run like a well oiled machine. Conclusion: Arjun now understands that AI is more than just a tool, it's a smart system that helps personalize his learning experience, predict when he might need extra support, and even keep the school running efficiently. While AI might not have feelings or creativity like humans, it sure knows how to make school life smoother and more fun. Learning outcomes, personalized learning. Students discover how AI tailors lessons to fit their learning styles and needs. AI predictions. They learn how AI can analyze student behavior and suggest when to provide extra help. School management with AI. Students understand how AI and robots assist in making schools more efficient by automating tasks and managing resources. Arjun's adventure shows how AI can be a helpful assistant in schools, quietly working behind the scenes to make learning exciting and enjoyable.